Hi weaving friends, I have two causes to celebrate recent milestones that I passed and I want to share them with you today. The first milestone is reaching 20,000 subscribers here on YouTube, just past 20,000 actually, and growing every day. The second reason to celebrate is that my online weaving school passed its 2-year anniversary and it's all going so incredibly well. I have nearly 3,000 registered students there and that is just mind-blowing to me. Once again, I have all of you to thank for that. So now I want to thank you by giving something back to you. I'm going to have a little giveaway. The giveaway will be on my blog and I'm going to post the link below in the description box. So what about the prizes? Well, the first prize is a 1-year membership to my online weaving school. And if you're already a member, the good news is you can still enter and I will credit the amount to your following year. The second prize is a $50 gift voucher to my Etsy shop, and you can spend that however you please on whichever patterns you want to buy. And the good news is that if you already have the full collection of all of my patterns, as I know that many of you do, thank you, you can credit that towards future purchases because there will be future patterns. So finally, I just want to really reiterate how thankful I am that I am able to do this every day. Almost every day I receive beautiful messages from people all over the world thanking me for my lessons, saying how much they've learned with me, and it's such an incredible blessing to be a part of something like this. So thank you very much. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to help me grow this channel even bigger and reach more people. One last thing before I go, my daughter Gemma, she's 13 and she's a multi-instrumentalist. Doesn't get that talent from me. And she's just started a YouTube channel. She only has a couple of videos there so far, but she has a lot of plans for more. And I know that she would really appreciate you going and checking out her channel and liking and subscribing. The giveaway will run until the end of the month, so you have a little bit of time to enter, but make sure you get over to that blog post. And if you're not already signed up for my email list, I'll also leave a link for that in the description below. You get a free pattern when you sign up and you get weekly emails from me with all kinds of news and things that are happening and free projects and all that good stuff. So I hope you can take the time to sign up. Thank you all for watching and I look forward to seeing who the winners are. And until next time, happy weaving.